Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Dogecoin price prediction and Dogecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogecoin in 2022. Let's remember where the well-known Dogecoin or Doge came from. It was born from the popular internet meme Doge, and its logo depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus of Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer of Sydney, Australia as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013. The creators of Dogecoin saw it as a fun and laid-back cryptocurrency that would be more appealing to outside of the mainstream audience of Bitcoin, since it refers to the famous dog meme. Also, you probably often heard about Elon Musk's mentions of Dogecoin. He explained this support by the fact that he considers this altcoin to be the people's cryptocurrency, since many Tesla and SpaceX employees own it. Also, the head of Tesla and SpaceX denied information that is related to the development of Dogecoin. Musk stated that none of his associates, including Jared Birchall, are members of the Dogecoin Foundation, which supports and develops the altcoin. In August, the organization announced a revival, and also announced that its advisors included Musk representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. 0.53% in the last 24 hours. Doge 4-hour chart, since reversing from the $0.33 mark, the meme coin has declined by over 68% and plunged towards its 10-month low on 24 February. Except for a few times, the emo ribbons refrained from undertaking a bullish flip over the last 4 months. The downslide led the alt to lose the crucial $0.1360 mark, one that the bulls upheld for over 10 months. The latest bearish engulfing candlesticks created a strong supply zone between the $0.123–$0.119 range. Furthermore, the point of control, red, and the 50 EMA would continue to pose a strong recovery barrier for bulls. Going forward, the current trendline support is critical for the buyers to defend to prevent fallout. Keeping in mind the improving overall sentiment, a close above this support would lead to a POC retest before falling back into its long-term downtrend. Rationale: as the bearish RSI broke down from its midline support, it seemed to flatten at the 33 to 36 range support. Any recovery from this zone could open up chances for a test of its immediate resistance. 83 million Dogecoin investors. Both circumstances came into play over the last few days. Notably, prices have shot up by 28% in the previous 2 weeks. This was followed by the exit of 720k addresses from the beginning of this month. The volume seems to be a major concern at the moment. This raises the question if the investors have lost interest or found a better option. Doge's closest competitors in terms of price and purpose are Cardano and Shiba Inu, respectively. And currently, both the altcoins haven't witnessed any stellar rise in their investors' count. While Cardano has noted the addition of 30k addresses after the Dogecoin investor made an exit. Surprisingly, Shiba Inu has been observing the opposite of that. Between 7 to 30 March, the meme coin network has lost about 7k investors. This could be indicative of the fact that investors across the meme coin category are losing confidence in the asset, since exits these huge are never born out of general bearishness. The volatility factor which attracted investors to meme coins in the first place might just be acting against the meme coins now. Dogecoin co-founder says Doge needs to market at 6. The recent version of Dogecoin, v1.14.5, was released in November 2021 to include important security updates and changes to network policies. In February, the Dogecoin creator took to Twitter to announce his intention of pushing for Dogecoin tipping on Twitter. To do this, Marcus tweeted that he intends to post at least one tweet with the number Doge Twitter hashtag every day to draw the attention of the Twitter team constantly to his goal of advancing the use cases of Dogecoin for tipping. In his words, the Dogecoin creator said he is going to just keep bugging Twitter, as he believes that Doge should be used for leaving a tip on Twitter. Earlier in February, Twitter's social media behemoth introduced a feature that allows users of its mobile version to tip their favorite content makers in the second biggest cryptocurrency by market cap, Ethereum, having introduced Bitcoin first. To be enough to kickstart rallies for coins like Dogecoin. The SpaceX CEO's affection for the memecoin especially has earned him the title of Doge Father. This tweet too sparked a sharp spike in the price of Dogecoin. As you can see in the above graph, the price touched around $0.12 following the sharp uptrend, rising about 10%. However, since then, the price has dwindled back down. Nonetheless, Dogecoin is still up almost 4% in the last 24 hours. BTC and ETH price at the time of writing, Bitcoin's price floats around $38.9k, up 1% in the last 7 days. Over the past month, the crypto has lost 7% in value. Here's a chart that shows the trend in the price of BTC over the last 5 days. And second news today about the European Union voted against a de facto Bitcoin mining ban. The European Union voted against a de facto Bitcoin mining ban. In a major event for the entire crypto industry, the Coalition's European Parliament's Committee on Economic and Monetary Affairs, ECON, rejected a proposal that would have prohibited proof of work to make crypto assets meet a minimum environmental sustainability. As reported by Patrick Hansen, developer at Unstoppable Finance, 32 members of the European Parliament, MEP, voted against this de facto ban on Bitcoin mining, opposing 24 of their colleagues. Part of a voting process that attempts to define the EU's markets in crypto assets regulation, MiCA, the crypto industry could have scored a big win in Europe. The MEPs voted in favor of an alternative amendment, as Hansen said, introduced by Stefan Berger, a German economist and member of the Christian Democratic Union, CDU, serving at the EU Parliament. Thus, Bitcoin in crypto. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 20 cents. Doge is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 may end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 20 cents. By the way, after today's drawdown news, it might make sense to buy this coin, but let's look at the next forecast for 2023. So, in fact, what 2023 promises us, experts predict that basic analysis is important for a long-term forecast of the Dogecoin price. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Doge price will rise to around 25 cents by 2023, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of 30 cents with a minimum price, 25 cents level. And what about those who decided to keep it even longer? Analysts give the following forecasts. Dogecoin forecasts for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Dogecoin could cross 42 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 35 cents. And if you are ready to hold this cryptocurrency for more than 3 years, then the next forecast for you, the forecast for 2025 is that the value of Dogecoin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2025 is bullish. Doge is expected to reach a maximum rate of 59 cents by the end of 2025, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogecoin will eventually rise. Thus, the predicted average price of Doge will be between 50 cents and 51 cents, expected in 2025 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Doge ranges from 50 cents to 59 cents for 2025. And finally, for those who are just curious, quick predictions for the next 3 years. Forecasts for 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Dogecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2026, Doge is expected to peak at 86 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 70 cents if the market turns bullish. Forecasts for 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Doge will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2027 could end with an average bid of $1.08 and a minimum bid of $1.06. The maximum bet is expected to be around $1.25. And the last forecast for today, in 2028, is that the Dogecoin price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Doge can reach $1.81 by 2028 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.56 for 2028, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2028.